Welcome guys, let me show you how to make consistent profit trading volatility 25 index. Now only one indicator is what you need. You need what? Only one indicator, ADX. Now before we proceed, let me emphasize on this particular strategy is not limited on volatility 25 index alone. You can apply the concept on crypto trading, that is a crypto spot trading, not future trading. Do you understand? Spot trading, not future trading on crypto. So now let me show you how to set up the indicators. So pay attention so that you get every aspect of it. So let me delete the current indicator here. So on my screen now we have a clear screen. So now let me insert the indicator. Pay attention so that you understand every aspect, how it is done. Do you understand? So you click on F. Now here, this is what the average directional movement index. That is the only indicator we'll be using on this strategy. So average directional movement index. So we click on it. Now here are what the settings. Pay attention here are what the ADS settings. Here are what the ADS settings. So the period is 100. Do you understand? So the style, the color of the style should be the same as your screen background. Do you understand? So the style should not be appearing on your screen. Choose the color as the same with your screen background. So in my own case, the screen background is white, so I choose the color to be what? To be white. So then plus DI, the color should be green, minus DI, the color should be red. So that's all about the ADX settings. So once you are done with the settings, you hit on what? Done. Do you understand? You hit what? On done. Now let me show you how to apply this. Let me show you how to apply this so that you will make consistent profit. Pay attention, we will be testing multiple times. We will be testing multiple times to show that we have tested this over and over and it works out. Now, whenever you see the red line of ADX above, that is a clear sell signal. So here now, look at this point from the side of ADX where the red line crosses the green line. You trace it up. So that is where I want you to make your sell entry. Do you understand? That's where I want you to make your what? Sell entry. The point where the crossing occur. The point where the crossing occur, that's where you should make your sell entry. Do you understand? So here now, this is where the crossing occur from the side of ADS. So this is where I want you to make your sell entry, and this is what excess profit. Do you understand? This is what excess profit. So let's continue. We have multiple tests to show. So let's continue. You see this excess profit. So let's continue. Now here, watch here. The green line of ADS crosses the red line of ADS. You see it? The green line crosses the red line, which is a buy, confirmed buy signal. So I want you to make your buy entry because the green line of ADS crosses the red line of ADS, which is a clear buy signal. So this is the point where the crossing occur. So here is where I want you to make your buy entry, and this is what excess profit for you. This is what excess profit. So let's proceed. Now watch here, there is another crossing here. Look here, the red line of ADS crosses the green line of ADS, which is a clear sell signal, So I want you to make your sell entry from the point where the crossing occur. This is where the crossing occur. So I want you to make your sell entry here, and this is what profit for you. Do you understand? So we proceed. Now here is another crossing here. Here is another crossing. The green line crosses the red line of ADX. We trace it up. So here you make your what buy entry. Do you understand? From the point where the crossing occur, you make your buy entry. Make your buy entry here. Do you understand? And this is what SSA profit. Now, one important thing is that whenever you are making any entry, make sure you make use of proper stop loss. Don't initiate any trade without stop loss. Make use of proper stop loss. Do you understand? So guys, this is Optimal FS where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. And one thing I want to emphasize is in trading, patience is what very, very important. Do you understand? Set your strategy. Once you set your strategy, allow the market to obey your strategy. Don't rush the market. Allow the market to obey your strategy. Even if it takes 1 week for the market to obey, your ability to wait makes you a winner. Do you understand? So hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit and